Very basic example. My team has two people. Both are equally smart. One is using Gen AI, other is using Originality, not writing emails through Gen AI, but still automating and having some prompt. Who would you think of a better team member?
The second one, the one with original idea, only if he's using other parts of AI. If he's not using AI because he want to become original, he's a keypad wala guy, जो गायब होगा. But if he knows the ecosystem in a very sophisticated way, he has decided not to use that for this specific thing. I like that guy.
अब अगर आपके पास दो कंपनीज पिच करने के लिए आए, एक ने ब्यूटीफुल पीपीटी बनाई, सारा कंटेंट दुनिया का उठा के डाल दिया बेंच, एक बंदा आया जिसने सिर्फ आइडिया लिखा अपना और आइडिया के बारे में डिस्कस करके चला गया.
इतना शैलो नहीं चलेगा, काम तो दिखना चाहिए.
बट वो काम तो सिर्फ एआई से आया ना.
एआई तो ऐसे काम करता ही नहीं ना सर. एआई को यू हैव टू ट्रेन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. इफ दिस इज सरफेस लेवल डेटा एंड यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग देन यू आर वे मोर स्टूपिड देन यू शुड नॉट बी हियर. इफ द डेटा इज वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड, इट्स वेरी सिस्टमैटिक, द पीपीटी इज डीप, उसको गेम की समझ है सर.
So you will basically give an advantage to the guy who actually uses how to prompt AI and get the meaningful data for
Any
that
day.
session.
Any day.
I would also bring originality as a secondary trait, but the basics or the foundations should be AI.
Polishing is now new hygiene. You can't write ugly emails with grammatical mistakes in it. It has to be good. But the originality, authenticity has to be in it. So see, why are you producing work of 110 IQ when you have 400 IQ available?
The content collection can be done by AI. First level of insights can be generated by AI.
But you should know कि क्या पूछना है.
But the recommendation should come from human brain. Human can bring emotional question to that.
Correct.
Can bring empathy, can bring the value of securing and safeguarding our future generations. Can bring some value to how we save this earth. If you ask AI, they'll not mind about giving you suggestions which may be very drastic.